Hey everybody, how are you doing? I am back with another video and I'm glad you stopped by to see what I have to talk about today. Proverbs 22nd chapter and the 24th through the 25th verse. And it's talking about peace. This will be peace if you do what this Bible tell you to do. Make no friendship with an angry man, and with a furious man thou shalt not go, lest thou learn his ways and get a snare to thy soul. We should not be around someone who is easily to get angry, who has a quick temper, because we can start learning their ways. We can start to be like them. That is what the Bible is telling us to do. For to have peace, for peace in your life. The Bible tells us to follow peace with all men, and holiness without no man shall see the Lord. So we don't want to be around someone who is easy to get angry. We want to pray for them and hope that they turn from that way of life, but it is not good for us to be around them all the time because we can start to pick up their ways. Did anybody go to any of the sales that they had these last 2 weeks? No, I did not go. I did not do either of them. I feel like I have enough, and when I'm feeling that way, I feel like, thank you, Jesus. Thank you for letting me know and directing my path to not go in the direction of Bath and Body Works. I went inside, but y'all, I did not buy anything. They also had a survey up there. They wanted people to interact with them and try to find out what you would like to have come back. That, you know, they have the candle sale coming up. It's already here, the $11.95 candle sale. Well, I'm not trying to do that. I feel like I have enough, but there's something that I would like to get between now and the semi-annual sale, which I'm hoping the semi-annual sale, and they will be down to $6 and some change. But I chose the blueberry sugar, which is sugared blueberries, fresh pancakes, and caramel breeze, I think. I'm sorry, caramel drizzle. Then the vanilla snowflake, I think I smelled that, but I'm not sure if I want to get that, but it's between that and the peppermint marshmallow. Then the frosted Moscow, I haven't smelled it before, but these are the correct notes. It is sweet lime, lemon zest, and sugar cane. So if that's what it is, I think I would like to check that out. Y'all, they have the hand soaps, $3.50. I'm not interested in that because I got a nice amount during the semi-annual sale. And they also have the all-foaming hand soap refills and selected dispensers for $10.50. They did, my first time noticing that they had the dispensers markdown was this year. Well, this semi-annual sale just passed. They had a few of them out on the floor, but I didn't get any because my husband and I already had purchased some and they already in rotation. Well, when I finish what I have, I already have something to take its place. I did want to get the spring apple, the sweet kiwi and starfruit, the lemon express twist, and the sweet carrot cake as in candle form. I want that new reviving rain. That smells good. My husband has it, but I would like to get my own. It smells good. And my daughter had the lotion on today. Yes, I would like to get that. And they have the hanging fragrance diffusers. They have the hanging fragrance diffusers. I don't think that I'm interested in that. If they're anything like Yankee candles, I purchased them. And where's the fragrance? Where is it at? So if it's anything like that, I feel like I don't need it in my collection, y'all. And I feel like it could be just a form or a way for Bath and Body Works to advertise, people to know that, hey, I shop at Bath and Body Works when they go past my car. But I have some empties here, y'all, and I want to hurry up and share them with you. I've been tearing it up, y'all, but this is that's a variety of things that I want to share with you. And this is Garrison Home. This is something that we got around the time when things were a little strong with you know what, a couple of years ago, and we was trying to get something that hopefully will work for us. And this is like an antibacterial soap. So yeah, would I get it again? No, I don't know if I didn't care for the scent. It's a hand soap, and it was a nice size. And no, I don't think I would need it again. And I think we purchased it from our liquidation store. This is Sunshine and Lemons, Bath and Body Works hand soap, and this is nice. I like the packaging, and I do like the fact that I can see through it and see where I'm at in using the product. This is Strawberries and Snowflakes. Y'all, this is nice. Yes, I would like to get it again if I decided to go for some more body washes or body gels. Yeah, this was nice. And this is a Juicy Strawberry Whipped Cream and Iced Bergamot. So, yeah, nice. Into the Night. I finished this lotion. I wanted to make sure that I get into my lotions. I had them for a while, so I did not want to let them go another year, and I tore this thing up. Y'all see this? It is gone. Yes. And you know, sometimes stuff like the linger, but I got majority of it out, y'all. Yes. And this is the body mist. So yeah, I just recently purchased not long ago the new one, and y'all know what that is, because if I read all that, y'all, but this is a nice grown fragrance, and it is a nice, hey, date night, something like that. It would be great to have. This is Frosted Cranberry. This is good, and I finished another one of these. I finished this. This is an oil from the Wellness Collection. I was able to finish this, and I'm glad I did, y'all. I wanted to use them, and I finished the two that I had, and I think they are a nice, a nice oil by Bath and Body Works. Wouldn't mind getting it again, but I probably wouldn't get it no time soon. I probably want to get it for my husband. White Sands. This was nice, y'all. White Sands, Vanilla Orchid, and Warm Amber. So this is the hand soap. This was nice. I finished the Champagne Toast Pocket Bag. This is nice, and I think this was one I had gotten a compliment from a while ago. I finished this. I don't know what it is, y'all. But I have been placing them in different rooms in my home to give it a nice, nice fragrance all around. And I don't usually put the same fragrance all around my home. I use different fragrances in each room sometimes. This is Indigo Dreams. I'm glad I finished this, y'all. I purchased this during the semi-annual sale, was hoping to get the body mist and never did. So I was able to finish this, and I'm glad I did. It was nice, y'all. Nice bergamot, waters, glowing amber, and warm musk. This is a nice fragrance you could use as a base cream when you want to wear certain fragrances. Citrusy, musky fragrances. Or something that's ambery, woodsy. This would be something nice, I think, to use as a base moisturizer. This is Champagne Toast. I finished one of these room sprays, and it did what it had to do. Nice, y'all. This is Ballet Nights Wild Plum Glowing Amber Tonka Cream. One of my favorites during the time that this came out. The three, I think they had three in like this packaging. I didn't care for the other ones, so this was my favorite out of it, and I feel like it's a nice, strong, plum fragrance, fruity fragrance, but also a mature type of fragrance that you can wear. And I do have my backups. I regret getting this, but at the time I wanted to get something that was new, and it was also during the semi-annual sale when I purchased this. Well, both of these are warm vanilla sugar, y'all, and you know sometimes vanilla fragrances can expire sooner than later, but this was nice at first, but as I continued to use it, y'all, let me show you what it looked like. This is the, I'm sorry, I need to tell you what it was. Antibacterial moisturizing hand sanitizer with natural essential oils. And this was something new that they had come out. I don't know if they ever had it before, but y'all, it smells good. But look inside. Y'all see the crust? So this is something that I would not want to purchase again. I'd rather sanitize my hands and put a lotion on. Yeah, this is a no-no. So let me see if I can get some of this stuff out. If you can see what I have on the inside of there. Y'all see that? So, no. Would not want to purchase it again. I wouldn't advise anybody to get it. This is a brand name that I wanted to use in hair products. This is Design Essentials Natural Hair Products. And both of them are almond and avocado scented, moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner. And this one is the Honey Curl Foaming Custard. They're not for my hair. Certain things will not blend well with certain gels, so I just decided to go ahead and let this go. It's a little bit in there, and this one is not a lot in here. If you can see here where it is. I chose not to keep it, y'all. It's down here somewhere, but it to me it did not help with my hair. It didn't benefit me as in helping me to manage my hair. I feel like this is for someone with a different texture than mine, or maybe someone could tell me the best way to use this, but I wouldn't purchase it again. I have two drinks that my husband and I wanted to try. We went to an international grocery store, and here are the two flavors that we wanted to try. This is a no. This was okay, but I could go and get a Walmart sparkling water, I guess in grape flavored, and we'll be fine with that. It's not a necessity. I thought the packaging was cute though. Isn't it cute, y'all? Clear, 0 sugar. And here are the nutrition facts. What I want to get them again, I don't have to have them. I feel like I can go without them. But it was something fun to try. This was nice, y'all. Jolly Ranchers old school, but with 0 sugar. And they taste nice to me. It doesn't feel like it had a strong aftertaste. Here are the fun facts. And that is how they came in the little package like that. I got it from Walmart. This is something that I was looking for and couldn't find for years. I was using it when I first started going without no heat. I've been natural before, but with no heat. This and doing my own hair, this is La Care cholesterol, and they gave me 50% more free. This is the plus version of it, and I really like this. This makes my hair really soft and manageable, and yeah, I will buy it again. It's very affordable. I found it at Ross, and yeah, I think it was like around $5 or something like that. But back in the day, a couple of years ago, it was a lot cheaper than that at Walmart. But these are some stockings that I chose to get from Rose's. I went back to trying it again, y'all. I got the size 3, and I'm like 5'6.5", somewhere around that. 5'6", and it is off black, and I got the queen size in 3. It was nice and soft, and it went up because I've been through a lot wearing stockings, and that's why I used to didn't like to wear them. I would go for a knee high and a long skirt in a minute before I try to go get a stocking, because pantyhose, because they wouldn't go all the way up. Got this from Dollar Tree. These are detergent sheets. And yes, it did what it had to do. And it's also, you can also use it with the HE products. Yeah, I liked it. It didn't see any residue on my clothing, so I wouldn't mind buying it again. It's something nice to take with you when you're traveling. You don't have to take a jug of detergent, but hey, and you don't have to get this size either. They can fit right in your luggage. This right here is what I got from a, what you call that place? From a liquidation store, and it was good. It did what it had to do. My clothes smell good, yes. And I used to use Dreft and Downy for my baby clothes. That combination, y'all, is, you talking about something smell good. I got this. I'm gonna try to see if this will help wake my scalp up and help keep my hair on my head. And something I got from Temu. I forgot how much it cost. It was cheap, but micro needle system. So yeah, and I wanted purple. So my husband found it and he got it for me, and I want to try to see if it will work. And you just take and roll it in, and I guess use the product that you want to use to help your hair to grow. But they did, you know, that viral thing on TikTok. So I wanted to see if it would help me. I just have to be consistent with it. That is all that I have, y'all, and I hope y'all went out there and got what you wanted to get, and catch you on another video. Did you use up your products? We got to use them up, y'all.